Hello everyone, this is Chandan Ahmed from Sri Venkateshwara College and my USN is 1VE20CS028. Today I am speaking about types of flat plates. In non-conventional source of energy, flat plates are the heat loss where the convection is more important in the determination of their performance. The convective heat loss may be decreased by using double glazing, but the radiation reaching the observer is reduced due to the double reflection. Hence, the low temperature where the loss is small. Use of single glazing gives the better frequency than the double one while at the higher temperature. The use of glazing is advisable for the better performance. Type of flat plate collectors are basically divided into two categories based on their uses. First is liquid water or liquid heater. Second one is hair heater. Here is a representation of graphical representation of flat plates, where y-axis is represents the efficiency, that is efficiency, and the x-axis represents the time duration. Here, where the thick line, that is A, represents a single glaze eye hair heater, and the dotted line that is a B, represents the double glazed hair heater, flat plate, unfined observer. Here is a representation of graphical representation of flat plates. Next, moving on to the types of the flat plate collector. As I said before, heat or a liquid collector heater it has a two types, that is heat or liquid heater, or first and next one is the aerator. In liquid or water or liquid heater, there are three types: pipe and fine type, water sandwich, and semi sandwich type. When coming to the hair heater, it has fine plate, metal matrix, and corrugated plate with a selection surface. Next coming to the schematic representation of different collectors with a single glazing. Here there are multiple types of the collector with a single glazing. First one is the tube in the flat plate. Second one is the tubes bonded to the upper surface of the flat plate, tubes fastened to the lower surface of the flat plate, tubes fitted with a groove plate, corrugated sheet on the flat plate, corrugated sheets in the retrieved together, corrugated sheets fastened together, roll bonded in the aluminium collector, and different modes of tube attachment. There are three types, that is bond, tie, and clamp. These are the three different types used in the different modes of the tube attachment. Next is a triangular tubes bonded plate. This is a triangle where these tubes are bonded to the plate. Next is a Tyson system. This is a Tyson system. Next is the roll bond to the aluminium collector. This is the roll bond where it is bonded to the aluminium collector. These are the different types of the flat plates with a single glazing. Next, there are three types of basic collectors, that is type 1, type 2, and type 3. Moving on to the type 1, where type 1 is the pipe in the type which flows only in the pipe and hence has a comparatively wet area, and it has a liquid capacity, and it has a low liquid capacity. And next is this rectangular or a cylindrical full sandwich type, which is both wetted and water capacity is high. And the next, moving on to the third type, that is roll bonded type or a semi sandwich type, which is the intermediate type between the type 1 and type 2. Here is a representation of basic collector absorber plate types. Well, first one is a pipe and fin, where it has the where uh, it flows only in the pipe, and it has a low weighted area, and it has a low liquid capacity. This is the first type where it is a pipe and fin. Next is a sandwich, that is a rectangular or cylindrical sandwich. As I said, it has a both weighted high weighted area, like, and it has a water. It also has a high water capacity. Next is the type 3, where it is an intermediate between type 1 and type 2, where it has both. It can, and it can either have a low capacity of liquid capacity, or it can also have a high capacity water capacity. It can have both the wetted area and non it can have low capacity of wetted area. This is the type 3, where it is a semi water sandwich. This is Here, this is all about the type of flat plate collector. In furthermore videos, we will learn more about this non-conventional energy, and I'll come and more interesting topic in the non-conventional source of energy. Thank you.